On November 17th, 2018, our goal is to try to make sure that the upper trail is completely clean and ready for guided nature hikes coming up soon. We also, on a side note, would like to go down and look at one of these junctures to try to see if we can find the tree that was down last time and see if that's been cut and that we have a clear path on the lower end. The lower end, the goal is probably February to get that cleaned up. We'll come back later to get that one. Probably not today. Mostly we're going to focus on the upper portion up here. This is a maypop and it's a passion flower fruit. So open it up and get the seeds and spread it into this tree line, because these will form little vines later. And this is Mississippi. These are native Mississippi fruits. You see, these are still edible, even though I'm not asking you to partake of them. But just throw them over in there.
You want to volunteer to eat them?
I mean, I might try one. Give me one of those.
Oh wow.
They're kind of partly fermented.
I smell like a peach.
Mm-hmm. That's okay. Let them fall where they go. And if wildlife eat them and process them, that'll even be better. Okay, so those are Mississippi maypops, and this is the main wildflower meadow. So we'll try to remember later to come back and see if we have any vines back in here. This is another project. We need to repair this. So about, what do you say, 3.5 or 4 inches wide. All right, that's what the four-wheeler was all about. It was the effort to get down here and cut this tree. So at least we do have a way to keep moving on the path. Okay, we'll take it. So about a month after the last adventure down here, at least we have a way to keep going. That's pretty impressive. Wow. Hey, let's take a look at this for a second. So see, how many rings do you think it has? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 55, 60, 65. Man, I'm saying that's probably at least 80 years old. I'm just kind of guesstimating on the rings. It's a pretty big tree. Cool. Here's the last big leaf of the season. And it's basically just a piece of styrofoam, right?
Looks like an old
It's been here a while. Yeah. Ha, crazy. Weird. Ha, that is cool. What kind of plant is it? It's like a self-made terrarium or something, isn't it? It's almost like we shouldn't like throw that away or something. Something
Can we get it out?
innately beautiful. Why don't we just like take it back with us and put it in the lab? That would be kind of cool. See how long it lives.
Completely practical item.
Cool. Looks usable still.
It is.
Ah, cool. So instead of like dumpster diving, we're like park diving or something today, finding all the cool stuff. What is that? Piece of a garbage can or something? Thank you, thank you.
Found all kind of bottles back here.
Yep. Wound up with a pirate ship and a bottle, which we didn't know we were going to get, and we wound up getting a turtle. Tell me about your turtle.
I found it upside down, and I named him Fred.
Good.